Okay, class, take a seat. I just finished grading your test, so I'm gonna hand them back now.
Yo, who do you think got the highest score?
Obviously, it was Greg, bro. Greg, you got a 99.
Thank you, teacher.
Oh, before I forget, I just want to congratulate the student who got the highest score in the class.
Obviously, it was Greg, bro.
Who else could it be?
I know, I'm a genius.
And that student is Doug.
What?
Oh, word?
Yeah, Doug, you got a 100.
Wait a minute, this isn't right. Teacher?
Yeah, Greg, what's up?
How did Doug get a higher score than me? That's impossible.
Greg, relax. It's only 1 point. You both got an A+.
Well, clearly you made a mistake. I'd like a recount of the points, please.
Greg, I didn't make a mistake. Maybe Doug just studied more.
But that doesn't make sense. Doug shouldn't have passed at all.
Oh yeah? And why's that?
Because Doug is the dumb kid.
Okay, so if Doug is the dumb kid and he got a higher score than you, doesn't that make you dumber?
I'm leaving. This is great.
Oh, wait, how did you get a 100 anyway?
Oh, I put C for every